What's the single biggest challenge you're wrestling with in your business right now? Hey everyone, Johnny Terra from Go Make a Dollar. I wanted to take a moment and speak directly to you, the business owner who makes this channel what it is. First off, thank you. Thank you for trusting us with your time and for being part of this community. When I started this business, it was built on a single belief. Running a service business shouldn't mean running yourself into the ground. We're all here because we reject the idea that chaos, burnout, and stagnant growth are just part of the job. Our shared mission is to build profitable, scalable, and efficient service business that give us more freedom, not less. That is the why behind every single training we do. Together, we've tackled how to increase profit margins without alienating clients. We've laid out systems to streamline your daily operations so you can get off the tools and lead. We've explored real-world strategies to scale your team and your services. My goal is to always give you the no-fluff, actionable roadmap, the how to your why. But this mission isn't a one-way street. To make sure I'm providing the best possible guidance, I need to hear from you. What's the single biggest challenge you're wrestling with in your business right now? Is it finding good help? Is it mastering your cash flow? Is it a specific marketing problem? Drop a comment below and tell me. Your feedback directly shapes our content calendar. Moving forward, you can expect us to continue tackling the core pillars of a successful service business. We will bring you smarter marketing methods to attract the right customers, proven sales strategies to close more deals, and expert operational blueprints to streamline your workflow. We will also deep dive into the financial clarity and the leadership skills you need to build a winning team. Our commitment is to cover every single angle to help you grow. Thank you again for being part of this journey. My commitment is to continue bringing you the most real, actionable, and effective strategies to help you win. Remember what this is all about: building a great business so you can live a great life. Now, let's get back to work.